Hey hungry people, today we'll be making jerk shrimp. Enjoy the recipe.
For real, Mommy, it tastes so good.
I'll be adding some green seasoning from the Caribbean market. Let me know if you need a recipe. And right here is the jerk seasoning. Listen guys, I told my daughter to get the jerk out the refrigerator and she got the hot and spicy instead of the mild. Make sure you double check. Here I'll be using my favorite seafood seasoning, Off the Hook. But if you guys have Obey at home, you can use that instead. If you guys can get your hands on some fresh thyme, that would be great. But this is what I have in my pantry, so this is what I'm using today. Dash of Dacy jerk Caribbean seasoning. If you don't know, now you know. Check her out. Next, you'll add some scotch bonnet pepper. Just be careful adding the seeds. Feel free to get crazy with the onion powder and garlic powder. Make sure you oil up your pan nice before you put your little scrimps in. Make sure they're separated also. Don't have them all bunched up together while they cook.
This is a Soulfyre production.
Remember, shrimp cook awfully fast, so if your pan is on high, you're gonna have to move really quick just to make sure you don't overcook them. If you're an adult, you must add peppers and onions. You're not adulting if you're not adding that. I'll be adding in my mango next. If you don't like mango, you can add pineapple. If you don't like pineapple, you don't even need to add anything. Just cook it how you like it. Last but not least, we're gonna add our food confetti, some parsley, and look how beautiful it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Enjoy. Bye.